Hi, baby. Hi, Sawyer. Hi, baby. Hi, Sawyer. That's Tris. Hi, Sawyer. Come here, little one. Hi, baby. Are you a good boy, Sawyer? Want a treat? Want a treat? Want a treat? Want a treat? Is it good? Can you say hi? Sawyer. He's very gentle the way he takes it with his mouth. He doesn't jump and bite hard. Super gentle. Here, baby. Let him have some. I lick my fingers. Sawyer. Can you sit? Sit, Sawyer. Sit, Sawyer. Sit. Sit. You didn't sit. Tris is a girl. And that's Sawyer the male. Isn't he a pretty color? Look how red he is. Yes, he's my handsome boy. He's my handsome redhead. Y'all been playing in your water. Huh. What's up? Oh, Sawman. Come on, Sawman. Get down, Tris. Sawyer. Sawyer will just back up and let her have anything she wants. Come here, Sawman. Come here, Sawman. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.